Hello guys, today in this video I will teach you how to make a dodgeball game in Scratch 3.2. So let's get started. Here I have taken two sprites named Giga and Beach Ball, and I have taken a background also which is the blue sky. So um, I have coded it like this, that when the flag is clicked, it should go to the position where it should start from here only. So I have done this much. So now it's time to code the beach ball. So what do we code now? So I want that my beach ball starts from here and it falls here and again goes up and falls from random positions. So I'll say that set when flag clicked, set y to 180. That means it should be around here because it will start from here because it's around 180 only. So set y to 180 and also set x to. So I cannot set x to one particular position because I want to make it random. I want to make it fall randomly. So sometimes here, sometimes here, and sometimes here. So like this. So for that I will take pick random. So I will take two values 215 to minus 244. These will be the perfect values. As now you can see when I will touch the click the green flag, it will go here, here, and here, but will not fall down. Okay, it's going. But why is it not falling down? Because I have not coded it yet. I'll code that forever. Change y by 10. It's still not falling. Why is it not falling? Because I have to do it minus 10. Now it's falling. So I want that if my ball touches the ground, then it should again come from up and fall from random positions. So how can we do that? So for that I will do that if my y position, so what we'll take is we'll take y position, and from operators we'll take this less than sign. If my y position is less than minus 180, less than minus 180, this one is less than minus 180, from here it should again fall from up. And for that we will just copy duplicate this because the same code. They Look, now it's falling, but it speeds it very fast. It's not possible to play like this, so we have to decrease its speed by minus 5. So now it's the perfect speed. Now what to do? We have to set a variable named lives to make our game more you know more play more um attractive, so one is able to play. So now we have to code Giga so that when it touches the ball, its lives decreases by minus 1, and when the ball touches the ground, the lives the score, we have to make another variable named score, and when the ball touches the ground, its score increases by 1. So what you have to do that now, here only. No, we have to do that in which sprite will code the score and lives. We'll code in the ball only. Ball has to attach this, not the sprite. So let's code it in ball, lives and score. So first code the lives. First we will set lives to 3, or you can set lives to 5 also. And I will set score to 0 only, because score should be 0, and when the ball falls from here, as soon as it touches the ground, the score increases by 1. What I do is change when it touches the ground, change not lives, change score by 1, and also uh, change lives by minus 1. Change lives by minus 1. So let's try it. Oh, we forgot something. We didn't code the giga because we have to move it right and left also. So how we'll code that? Forever, uh, or simply, if you don't want to make the code longer, you can simply say that, when uh, a right arrow key pressed, then, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, change y by 10, and when left arrow key pressed, uh, change uh, uh, change y by -10. So now you can play the game. What is it happening? The code isn't working. Oh, let's code it again by using some other codes that I was about to use earlier. Uh, we will take forever, and inside it we will take if then, and when key right arrow pressed. It's the more convenient one, this method. That's not more less, that's less convenient. If key right arrow pressed, then what do I want my Giga to do? It should move 10 steps to right. But we can also do change y by 10, and similarly we'll do with the left arrow also. But the difference is that we will do change y by -10, that then only it will move to the left. Oh, did you spot the mistake? We didn't change y. That's why it's moving up, because y is the vertical coordinate. Let's do it x. Um, this and -10. Now it will again go to the same position because I've put this code. So it will go here only. Now it's moving. Okay, it's perfectly moving now. Now what do you allow? For example, our life becomes 0. The lives have become 0, but still the game is moving. So what do we code now? We should code the background. Now we'll code the background that when clicked, switch background to the blue sky only, and uh, we will do how we have to do that when the lives become 0, stop all. So how will we do that? So we'll take this from operators is equal to code from operators, and we will say when lives become 0, we'll put in it if then, and forever also we will take when lives become 0, then stop all. By this code it will stop all as soon as the lives become 0. So let's try it by playing. So my point increases by 1, and my life decreases by 3, 1, and 1. Yes, it has stopped, but I am noticing one mistake. That let's play it again. I hope you will able to notice. You will be able to notice that it's touching Giga, and a score and lives are also decreasing, but it's not stopping or it's not hiding when it's touching Giga. So let's code it that way. I want then when it touches Giga, it should uh stop hide. Let's say hide. No, let's say again this one, because I want when it touches Giga, it shouldn't hide but all. Rather than it should go up again, up and come down. So what I will do, touching Giga. Sorry, a Giga walking, touching Giga walking. Then it should again go up. So for that we'll code this same only. Oh, that's a mistake. We'll duplicate this. Now. Now let's see the difference. It will again go up. Yes, it's now perfectly moving, and our game has. Now one mistake has happened, that the lives are not decreasing. Uh, why aren't the lives decreasing? Let's spot the error. No, lives are decreasing. They were not. They're not decreasing. They're not decreasing when they're touching Giga. So let's separate this from here and put it in another forever. Maybe some error was is occurring. So let's try it again. No, it's still not happening. Mm, it's- Oh, sh I think I missed something. I missed to I missed to code this way. These two blocks. I think this is the reason. Yes, now it's happening. But the score, no. Yes, I have to remove the score because the score will not increase. Score will decrease when it touches the giga. Yes, yes, it's happening. Uh, yes, score also increase. Why did the lives become zero? The lives are also decreasing simultaneously. Change lives by -1. Change score by 1 when it touches the ground. Change lives by -1 when touching the ground. And when touching giga, change lives by -1. Do not change the score. Change score. Lives lives are decreasing when it touching the ground. What is happening? The score is increasing, but the lives are decreasing. Did you spot the error? The error is that I'm saying here that when it is touching the ground, then its lives are also decreasing. Life shouldn't decrease. It should be deleted. Now it will be perfect because it will touch to ground, the score is increased, and it will touch giga, the lives will decrease. Now you can play the game, and the game is ready. Thank you guys. Bye bye.